Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda is Emedulu here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make your Vietnamese pixie coily hair or even the Burmese coily hair to be softer, because I noticed a lot of people who are into selling hair extensions tend to encounter complaints from their clients when they sell coily hair extension, especially the Vietnamese coily extensions to their clients come back complaining about the hair being bad hair, the hair being unmanageable, the hair being prone to shedding, being tangling, and all that nastiness that people don't like with their coily hair extensions. So I'm going to share with you tips on how you can advise your customers on how to better manage their coily Vietnamese hair extension. So the first thing you want your customer to know is they need to know that coily hair extensions requires a whole lot of maintenance before they delve into purchasing coily hair extensions. Because if you're going to buy coily hair extension, you need to be ready to condition that hair on a weekly basis. And by conditioning the hair, I mean you could choose to use a leave-in conditioner, or you can choose to just apply your conditioner all over the hair, get water to wet this hair and brush it through and get the hair air dried. And also you need to be ready to constantly get that hair completely wet and brush through it and let it air dry. Coily hair extension is not the hair type that you want to use a blow dryer to dry. No, don't ever try that. With coily hair extension, you want to make sure that you air dry your coily hair extension. So the second thing you need to know about how to get your Vietnamese coily hair to be softer is you want to deep condition the hair. So after you washed the hair with probably a conditioner, you get the hair wet, you apply the conditioner all over the hair, you let the conditioner sit in the hair for about 30 minutes, you rinse off the conditioner. Next, you proceed with a deep conditioner. You're going to apply the deep conditioner all over the hair. Apply the deep conditioner, saturate the hair with the deep conditioner. Then you can let the deep conditioner sit on the hair for about 8 to 10 hours. Or another thing you can do is you can get a hot boiling water and put that coily wig into it while the deep conditioner is there, so that the deep conditioner boils in while the water is boiling and the deep conditioner is applied onto the hair. The deep conditioner boils in with the hair. You want to stay in the kitchen while you're doing this, so you don't leave your pot with your hair on the fire and you end up burning the hair because you left the kitchen. You want to stay in the kitchen while you're doing this. So you put your hot boiling water, you put the coily hair into the pot that you have saturated with the deep conditioner and let it boil for about 10 minutes. After this hair has boiled for about 10 minutes, you can take it off the fire, rinse it off with cool tap water. Then you can set it under the sun to air dry. You just put it on an open space outside at your balcony to air dry the hair. You'll notice that after you do this deep conditioning treatment, the hair is going to be softer than how it originally was when you got it from the factory. Because most times, how these hair factories tend to do their hair is originally a straight hair. Then they use an iron to curl the hair to the shape it's going to be in, and they put the hair that has been curled in that iron into a hot, will I call it like an hot oven to dry this hair. And when you dry hair under a dry oven, it sort of over dries the hair, so the hair comes out looking nice because when you take out the hair from the iron barrel, the shape is very beautiful, it looks nice and all, but it might be too dry. So in most cases, when you get coily hair extensions from Vietnam, you might need to condition this hair. You want to wash the hair, condition it before you then sell it to your client, because if you don't do that, you might have your client coming back complaining about the hair shedding and the hair tangling. And the essence of you washing the hair is just to make sure that you are able to ensure that the hair wouldn't overshed. Because when you wash the hair, you're going to know how the hair is. If the hair sheds too much, then you should be worried. So it's a normal thing for curly hair extensions to shed, but when the shedding is excessive, you can then decide if it's a good idea for you to sell this hair to your clients or not. But when it doesn't shed so much, it just sheds 20 strands, that's not so bad. But when it sheds about 100 strands, then you know that the hair, it's not the best quality of curly hair. You just deep condition the hair and you set it out to dry. Then after the hair has dried, you touch it and you notice that the texture of the hair is softer than how it originally was. That's how you can take care of your Vietnamese curly, pixie curly hair, Burmese curly hair, so that you don't have your customers coming back to complain that you sold them bad quality hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I got a comment on my channel asking me this question. I'm going to put the name of, I think the name of the person that asked that question is Chimamusu. I'm not quite sure if I got the name right. I'm going to leave a comment on this video so you guys can see the question that I'm responding to in this video. So if you have questions on how to maintain your hair extension, you just have questions related to hair, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to you in a video, or I'll probably just respond to you in the comment section if it's something I can really go in depth in with just text. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll catch you in my next video. I love you. Bye guys.